All right, YouTube, so I want to share this video with you, and this is the actual Truman taking off from the boat, from the shore station. And I just want to show you right here, like we have to completely back this boat down, probably a good football field, maybe just a little bit longer. But even when you get out of this narrow channel right here, you got to stay in the channel, because if you go left or right, you're going to run up on the rocks. So we do this every single day. And we make probably 10 to 15 of these dockings a day right onto that. And so you'll see right here, that's the dock looking all the way back on the dock right there. And even once we get out of the channel here, so right here, that current will catch you on a bad day, and that'll just rip the boat. It'll grab the boat and do stuff that is just not normal. So you got to be very, very careful with it when you get out here into the open water. But you can see right here, just backing out nice and slow. And then we keep the boat in the channel, and then we'll flip it around and then head over to the other dock. I'm gonna cut this short going over to the other dock, but right here you can see him start to make the turn right here, and then we're gonna flip the boat around 360 degrees, and we have to stay within this channel while he's making this turn, because if he goes too far left, he's gonna run aground, and if he goes too far right, he's gonna run aground. So you gotta keep your props inside the channel. You can see right back here, and you just got to keep it lined up with that channel right there. And he'll bring the boat all the way around. There you go. And then we'll flip it, head for that pole right there. Once he gets it all the way around, there he goes. It's all the way around now. And now we keep going straight out of there, and that protects our props and keeps them from hitting the ground. So we got quite a job, especially when you got wind and current. I've only worked here and only had it happen to me one time where I couldn't use this dock right here, where the wind was just blowing in a terrible direction. Okay, so after we get the boat crossed over here, it's about a 10-minute boat ride. Now we have to back it in over here in what we call the sunset dock. And this is always a back-in maneuver. Right over there is really, really shallow water. Like you go too far over there, and I have, the boat's going aground. So you really don't have a lot of space over there. And then we take it. You can see right here, we're going to bring it right into the dock. It doesn't really matter what the wind's doing, what the current's doing. Take it right up here, right to the dock, and then we'll tie it off. And that is a complete successful docking right there. And what we do, so we do a lot of backing in experiences, I guess what I'm trying to tell you and show you on this video. Anyway, thanks. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Thank you guys, I appreciate it.